I'm going to go and have some quiet time now. I need to collect my thoughts, if you'll excuse me. I'm feeling a bit overstimulated. I'm going to step away. Let's pause this for now. I need to be in my own headspace for a while. I'm going to take a little while to myself. I'd appreciate some solitude right now. You haven't done anything wrong. I just need some solitude. My social battery is drained. I need to recharge alone. I need you to respect my need for space. This is not up for discussion right now. I'm not accepting visitors at the moment. I'm going to ask you to stop now. This is my final word on the matter for now. I need you to disengage. I'm not available for this conversation. My capacity for interaction is full at the moment. I'm setting a boundary. I need no contact for the next few hours. Enough. End of discussion. We're done. Go away. Take a hike. Get lost. Or bug off. Beat it. Don't you have somewhere else to be? I'm at my limit and I need to be alone. I'm feeling raw and need to step away. I can't handle any more input right now. I'm on overload and need silence. My mind is full. I can't talk to anyone. I need to retreat for a while. I'm not in a fit state for company. I need to go and process this by myself. I'm going to be muting this conversation for a while. I will not be responding to messages for the rest of the day. I need a digital detox. I won't be available. Please do not reply to this message. I'm turning off my notifications. I'll get back to you when I'm able. This will be my last response. I'm archiving this chat. Do not contact me again on this matter. I am blocking out focus time on my calendar and will be unavailable. I need to work uninterrupted to meet this deadline. Let's circle back on this during our scheduled meeting. I am currently unavailable. Please contact me via email and I will respond within 24 hours. I must insist we conclude this conversation for now. My bandwidth is currently occupied with another priority. I am going offline to ensure deep work on this project. I need to retreat into my shell. I'm going to go and stare at a wall for a bit. I need to commune with my own thoughts. My social spoons are depleted. I need to go and be a rock for a while. I'm closing my doors to the public. I'm officially revoking your talking privileges for the next hour. My social contract has expired. Time for a renewal in silence. I love you, but I need you to be in a different room now. My brain is buffering. Please stand by. Let's pick this up later. I need to recharge. I'm going to take some me time. Could you give me some privacy, please? I need you to give me some space. I need to handle this on my own. Please don't bother me right now. I've got this under control. Thanks. I need to focus, so I'd appreciate no interruptions. This is something I need to do by myself. I'm not available to talk at the moment. Let's talk about this another time. I need you to stop contacting me. I need to step away from this conversation. I need you to back off. Give me some room. I need you to stop. That's enough. We're done here. I don't want to talk. Not now. I need you to go now. This conversation is over. I'm not discussing this. I can't do this right now. I'm not in a good place to talk. I'm too upset to have this conversation. I need to process this on my own. Talking isn't going to help me right now. I need to be by myself with this. I just need to sit with my thoughts for a bit. I need to concentrate on this task without interruption. I'm going to put a do not disturb on for the next hour to meet this deadline. Let's schedule a time to discuss this later. I'm in the middle of something time sensitive. I require some uninterrupted time to complete this project. I would appreciate it if we could continue this discussion at a later time. I need to focus, so I'm going to have to ask you to give me some space. Back off a little. I need to zone out for a bit. I'm peopled out right now. I'm tapping out of this conversation. I'm going to go into my cave for a while. I need a breather. Okay, that's enough. Take me off your calling list. Leave me alone. Stop filming me without my permission. Leave me alone. You are invading my personal space. Move away and leave me alone. I don't want to talk. Go away and leave me alone. Oh, leave me alone. You're too good at this game. Ha ha. Okay. You've had your fun. Now leave me alone. Ah, a monster. Leave me alone, you beast. Leave me alone. You're making me blush with all these compliments. I need space. Don't call me. Just leave me alone. Per my previous email, I am not interested. Please leave me alone and remove me from your list. This is a post about my dog, not politics. Leave me alone with your arguments. I can't hear you. Leave me alone. Just leave me alone. I need you to leave me alone now. Mom said it's my turn on the console. Get out of my room and leave me alone. I've asked you 3 times not to let your dog into my yard. This is the last time I'm asking. Leave me alone about it. I'm 25 years old. I can make my own decisions about my life. You need to leave me alone about it. It's over. Showing up at my workplace is unacceptable. You need to leave me alone for good. Could you please just leave me alone for a little while? For the last time, get lost and leave me alone. I'm begging you. Just leave me alone. All I want is to be left completely alone. I must insist that you cease contact and leave me alone. I need some space right now. I need some time to myself, if you don't mind. I'd like to be alone for a while. I need a moment to myself, please. I'm not really up for company right now. I need to clear my head. I'm going to be by myself for a bit. I think I need some quiet time. Stop breathing down my neck. Leave me alone. I need some space right now. I need some time to myself, if you don't mind. I'm not really up for talking at the moment. Can we please pause this conversation? I need a breather. I'd like to be by myself for a little while. I've made my decision, and I need you to respect it. Please leave me alone. This is a matter I need to handle by myself. Leave me alone to deal with it. I appreciate your concern, but I need you to leave me alone about this. My answer isn't going to change, so you can stop asking. Just leave me alone. I need complete silence to focus. Everyone, please leave me alone for the next hour. This is my personal workspace. I need you to leave me alone while I'm here. I can't even look at you right now. Just leave me alone. The world is just too loud today. Everyone, please leave me alone. I feel like I'm suffocating. I need air. Leave me alone. Don't touch me. I just need to be left alone. I'm not strong enough for this conversation. Please leave me alone. All I want is to be left alone with my thoughts. If I hear one more word about this, I'm going to scream. Leave me alone. You're like a broken record. For the love of God, leave me alone. Find someone else to bother. I'm done. Leave me alone. My patience has run out. Leave me alone before I say something I regret. Are you deaf? I said no. Now leave me alone. Get out of my face and leave me alone. We have nothing left to say to each other. Leave me alone forever. You have exactly 5 seconds to walk away and leave me alone. This is your final warning. Leave me alone, or I'll call security. I don't ever want to see you again. Leave me alone. I don't have anything for you. Leave me alone. I have a deadline in an hour, so please just leave me alone until I'm finished. I need to concentrate on this. Could you leave me alone for a bit? We can talk after I've calmed down, but for now, I need you to leave me alone. This is my personal time. I'd appreciate it if you would leave me alone. I've asked you twice already to stop. Please just leave me alone. I'm not in the mood for company. Leave me alone. I just heard the news. I can't talk to anyone right now. Just leave me alone. Everything is too much right now. I just need you to leave me alone. Why won't you just leave me alone? I feel like I'm going to cry. Please, leave me alone. I don't want to talk about my feelings. I just want to be left alone. If you ask me that one more time, I'm going to lose it. Leave me alone about it. For the last time, the answer is no. Now leave me alone. You're getting on my very last nerve. Leave me alone. Stop pestering me. Just leave me alone. I can't deal with your nagging right now. Leave me alone. Get out of my room and leave me alone. I'm done with this conversation. Leave me alone. You've betrayed my trust. Just get away from me and leave me alone. Stop following me. I want you to leave me alone permanently. We're through. Don't call me again. Just leave me alone. I said no. Leave me alone. Back off. Leave me alone. I don't know you. Leave me alone. I'm not interested. Leave me alone. Stop talking to me and leave me alone. Haha, stop. Leave me alone, you maniac. Oh, leave me alone. You're just saying that. Okay, enough kisses. Leave me alone now. You and your terrible jokes. Leave me alone before I die of laughter. I'm listening to something. Leave me alone. Just leave me alone. Don't follow me. Leave me alone. Just bug off, will you? Leave me alone. Get lost. I want to be left alone. Give me some space, man. Leave me alone. I'm trying to study for my exam. Please, just leave me alone for an hour. I'm too angry to talk about this right now. I need you to leave me alone. I appreciate your input, but I need to figure this out myself. Could you please leave me alone with it for a bit? It's not about you. I just have a lot on my mind. So please just leave me alone. I can't talk right now. Just please leave me alone. My head is spinning with everything that's happened today. I just need everyone to leave me alone for a little while. He said he needed space and told me to leave him alone. It was heartbreaking. I've told you I'm not interested. Leave me alone. Leave me alone without stopping to talk. You've asked me that 10 times. Just leave me alone about it, okay? You never listen to me. Just get out and leave me alone. I said I don't want to talk to you. Leave me alone. Stop texting me. I mean it. Leave me alone. I don't know you. Leave me alone. I'm not interested. Please leave me alone. Oh, stop it. You're embarrassing me. Leave me alone. Okay, okay. Enough licks. Leave me alone for 2 seconds so I can finish this email. I need some space. I need some time to myself. Can we talk about this later? I need a moment. I'd rather not discuss this right now. I need to be alone for a while.